so you know everything, so I'm not supposed to say what I want to say. I have a video, so if you can help me ideas what and I want to use for edits now. Well, there's Yamaha.
This boy lost his dad in the war, so when his teammates heard about this, they brought him a very special present. The boy was so craving when he got the gift, and when he opened it, he found something completely
Also, you know that from the think if you saw it, then you saw me in there. Cause I am. We all make some videos same. And if you see, and if you saw this video, things there. I am also have 3 accounts, so I am doing everything.
No chance,
And
Lorenzo.
I am also so comment in the comments what should I edit, and I am going to make part 1 of that again, but it's in my video, and I will also make characters.
Definitely not getting here this time.
But I am Filipino, so I can say kaya ngayon nakakuha ko kumuha ko ng account mo, tignan mo, at saka advocate na rin ako dun, ano nga ito ngayon, nakita mo na natin na. Alright, so mga 11 na pala, sige na, mamaya na lang, so bye-bye guys. Choose what you want. If it's not in the opinion, just tell me that